Many months ago, Spencer and I straight piped his naturally aspirated Legacy 2.5 liter. It ended up being one of our more popular videos. For some extra flair, we put an X pipe in the midsection, but we finished it off with dual glass packs.
That's gonna look so sick.
At the time, we seemed to be the only people who had done so to a 2.5 liter NA Subaru motor. So here's the long-awaited sequel to that project. I know many have been waiting for a sound clip, so here you go. Transporting the car got off to a rocky start. Once we reached the mountains, it was dark as fuck, and the snow started coming down. We went off the road while descending a mountain. On the next peak, I demanded Spencer drive his car off the trailer and carry on himself. Alright, so we just had a little accident. Nothing I haven't done before. A little guardrail action. So I am no longer towing this trailer with a car on it. I refuse. Our troubles weren't over yet though. We still had a town center to get through, where Spencer was pulled over without registration, insurance, or inspection. As is customary, we let him sort that out himself. Just kidding. By the time we got cut up, he was free. The officer understood the conditions were bad enough to cause us to have an accident with the car and the trailer. He even gave us his name so we'd be free to go for the rest of the trip into camp. That could have been very, very bad. And so, with a newfound freedom, the saga continued. There's a pure layer of ice on the road. I've already had one accident tonight. I do not need another. It's just going from dry to this. It's not safe. Oh, I'm so thankful that we're getting a dirt road right up here. He's coming up. He's coming up. Crazy. No, you're crazy. I wasn't given enough room for that. I don't think I have enough room. Crazy. Woo! Spencer got away with murder.
I know. Yeah, no, that was good. He was a really nice guy.
Unregistered, uninspected.
On everything.
On everything. Oh, I was gonna pull over and I was about to like willing to get shot walking up to him to plead a case for you. So, it's not even iced in at all. And thankfully, this isn't ice either. It was just snow. I'm being totally useless here. Let me get a shovel in with one hand. Oh yeah, that was good. Yeah, good job, us. But yeah, no, it's literally ready to drive out right now. Tires are good. Oh,
Isn't that crazy?
Good. Yep. Wow, she's really good. Oh, no mice.
This has got to get replaced with the original that was on there. What is holding this down?
Oh wait, yeah, it kind of comes off you.
This does not belong. It goes on over here somewhere. Yeah, it is right all the way up to here. We got two pieces off.
There we go.
Nice. Sealed bag the whole thing.
Nice and new, fresh and clean.
Ready to install, ready to rip.
Yep.
So these are the spacer things. Is that what we're dealing with?
Paula! She just humped him to the ground.
Alright.
Like literally just humped him and he slowly tried to resist and fell over.
I mean, it should slide right over. No, that's too much. It's gotta go back. It's not gonna push it. It's gonna go on. It has to.
Maybe it should get warmed up in the cabin. Or I'm gonna put the camera down.
Nathan Spencer's custom fab shop.
Yeah, fixed. See that hole? It's fixed.
Just like Michael's dogs.
Wrong.
That is true. Wrong. Roman days, they had eunuchs as like slaves or whatever, and they would they'd fucking castrate them so that they were under their control, basically.
Oh yeah, that's beautiful.
That's beautiful.
That's. Would you look at that?
Would you look at this? You know what I mean?
Yeah. I thought white would be cool, but it'll also show the dirt if it's getting disgusting.
Yeah. A lot of people say that these are the worst kind of clamps to use on hoses for liquid. Yeah, which I find interesting. I thought those
that's
were
like all we
hoses.
use. I like those better than a lot of other kinds.
I agree. What are you doing in there? Oh, you had string you were cutting.
Yeah, that's all I had at the time. This didn't like suck in like I wanted to.
Oh yeah. Oh, it just spins.
Well, yeah.
It's because it's sheet metal.
Yeah, and these are pretty long. That one was better.
Nice. What do you think about this?
Is it metal?
Wow, it's screen is metal with plastic layer on it. Shit, you know what? Is it just plastic?
I'll go for it if you think we should.
It might just be plastic.
I just took the wire and made this shape and had it come down out to here, so when I clamped it, it would clamp it on, and it's rigid. It's gonna do the job. They were just putting a nail, one single nail through.
It's something you saw online. Yeah.
Well, that's like what people used to do or whatever.
Yeah.
When they did this. But I thought this was a better solution because if we need to, there's the socket. Fucking.
Oh, you almost lost
I
that.
lost it, and I was like, I gotta get one of those. This is an 8mm. But anyways, here it is.
Mm-hmm.
And I can just pop those off and add 3 more, whatever, if I need to per.
Yeah.
But that should definitely dampen the noise. And then these, you can see like this side, good and rigid.
Yeah.
This side, decent, not amazing.
Yeah.
And then when you close it,
It's kind of a bitch.
well, a little, but I need something that just a carabiner for each side.
Yeah. I haven't picked that up at the hardware store down.
Yeah. And then this thing is not gonna go anywhere.
Nice.
So making progress.
Let's go. Let's go get warm. Paula, come on.
Even this.
True. There's like a specific tool that gets wicked tight. It's actually kind of cool.
Right.
Because I always thought that like these suck.
What kind of
Twisty,
twisty?
using
Tie wire?
like tie wire, yeah.
Yeah.
And then I found out there's
tool.
a tool, tie wire tool.
Wait, left.
Okay. And then I'll twist it onto here, and then we do the same thing on the other side. Fins will keep it in place. All right. I need the cutter. Why? Now it's good and it's fine, solid in both directions.
Yeah, that's fine. It's meant. We're not going to be doing anything too crazy,
Oh, yeah.
right?
Clap, clap, clap. All right, we are going to head off to get a couple of supplies, battery, carabiner, maybe some other random odds and ends, but gotta go into town for, especially a battery. It's a big ticket item, so. Welcome back.
Probably could have even done the other one. You want me to? That one's right underneath the heat, so it'll get fixed on its own.
Yeah.
What else can we get for you?
Let's see.
The old one down. I don't know what they did with it.
Oh, you got it.
I don't have the wrench to do it, but maybe it'll just work.
Hi, puppy. Hi, puppy. Hi. He's starting the car. Get out of here. Get out of here. He's starting the car. Woo! At least it starts. Yep.
We'll take this down Try to clean my windshield, would you?
If I had a shim shingle, do you don't have a paint scraper? You have an ice scraper?
I think I stuck this in here just for this.
Not even frozen.
Sweet. Want to put my hood down when you're done?
Yep. This way. No problem. All right, pups, move out of the way. Stay out of the way, Paula. Get out of the way. He's crazy. He's crazy, Paula. Get out of the way. Yeah, it's running better.
Almost running on its own.
Almost, yeah. Well, straight pipe, the other 2.5 never ran on its own either.
It's running on its own.
Nice. That's about what you can expect from a straight pipe Subaru.
Yeah, well,
they idle
I
weird.
think that was the problem. It had no back pressure, and now it's got 3 on each side.
Yeah, they're gonna blow out.
Think so?
You want to look at them?
Yeah.
They're working great, but you might need to redo your grate.
Probably. I'll get that good stuff.
That good stuff.
Yeah, they're definitely gonna blow out, huh?
Yeah.
Well, I have more if they do.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that one's going.
Is it hot yet? I don't want to. It'll be fine. If they pop out, we'll know, and it's hilarious, right?
Yeah.
But it's working.
Oh yeah. All right.
That's the problem. It's fucking. It's
Yeah.
working.
Nice.
We need to weld this now.
Oh yeah. Well, it's here.
While it's here.
All right, good. Well, I'm gonna put my phone on the charger. I guess you guys imagine that we're welding here and it's cinematic and stuff.
Dude, now you just gotta get yours up here. What the fuck?
Yeah, I know.
We literally fixed this.
Yeah. Woo!
A few moments later.
Ah! All right, I think I want to be outside. You know, for filming purposes. Filming purposes.
You can get out.
You're going to Ed's?
Yeah, to go down.
What about the boat ramp?
I think that Ed's is a safer bet.
All right, man.
We can look at the boat ramp when we get to it. I don't want to get stuck.
Yeah, I know.
I think we can get down and Ed's way easier.
All right, let's try it. We'll get out and walk after like the groomed part, and just check it with our feet.
It's doing okay. It's kind of running like shit. I think maybe once that MAF sensor's in there, that'll be good.
Yeah. Okay, the other thing is, I think if you take a right here, you will get stuck.
I'm gonna go left.
Yeah, yeah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You're not gonna make it, man. Should we abort before we get too stuck? Alright, let's go get the Bronco. Shit. Damn, man. Yeah, don't...
Never taken it down on the ice today at all.
Huh?
Probably shouldn't have taken it down on the ice at all today.
Wow.
Try to push, and if I can get it down there, maybe that's a good thing.
Turn it around.
Well, no, he's just trying to get down to the lake. Go, go, go! You're mine.
Gotta get the Bronco.
Yeah, let's go get the Bronco.
Try pushing again.
I think we should just go get the Bronco.
I think so too.
Because we can just take the Bronco right down here.
Alright.
Yeah, it's a little soft today.
Like, you guys want to walk this way along the water?
Well, I guess we had to see that coming.
Yeah. Oh,
Okay, above freezing.
I totally did. Yeah.
Yeah, but we'll get it there. The Bronco shouldn't get stuck.
No. Oh, the Bronco won't get stuck. It can do anything now.
Right. All right. You know what's funny is if we came this way, we might have made it to the ice.
Definitely would have made it.
Yeah.
Hey, man, I try.
Hey.
All right, I gotta be on my toes here. I don't want to die.